everybody, it's Chef Cheryl. And today I'm not doing the cooking. I have a friend here that's going to help us learn how to make a special dessert. Would you like to introduce yourself, Rana?
My name is Rana from Rana's Cuisine. I'm originally from Syria, and I do like Syrian cooking and you can say Middle Eastern cooking. I'm gonna make for you guys today mamour, which is 8 cookies.
So what is Eid?
Eid is, it's a celebration. Comes after the month of Ramadan. Month of Ramadan, it's a whole month of, kind of religious month for Muslims. They fast from like 5 o'clock comes up until the sunset. It's like about the whole day. So they don't eat, they don't drink, and then they eat everything after the sundown. It's religious month, so people in this month will pray more, do good deeds more, like pay money to the poor people more, and they do good deeds. So this is after this whole month of, like, you can say, very strict month, they get to celebrate that.
So these cookies help us celebrate.
Yeah,
right?
so everyone will make, most of the people, like especially like in Syria, I know Egypt, everywhere in the Middle East, they have like probably their own version, but this is the Syrian version. Even Syrian has so many, at the end it's the same, like cookies stuffed with dates or nuts. And it smells yummy, last few days of Ramadan will be smelling fabulous in every house. Very nice, everyone will be making cookies. Let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you the ingredients here. I have here 3 cups of flour, 1 stick of butter. We have half cup of milk, half cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, light corn syrup. And then we have here Mahleb. It's kind of special, like vanilla, but it's not vanilla. It smells very good. Usually you can find it at the Arabic stores, but if you don't find it, you can use vanilla. And then we have here like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna start like adding all the dry ingredients first. I'm gonna add the flour. We're gonna add now the salt and the mahleb. Whisk a little bit. Now we're gonna add the whole stick of butter. Just leave it room temperature, and then we're gonna add it. We have to incorporate it with the flour, so every bit of it gets some butter. Probably I'm gonna start with my hand and then continue with my machine. Now I'm gonna add, so you have a cup of milk. It's kind of warm. Adding the syrup.
That'll make it nice and sweet.
Yeah. And sugar also. This syrup is sweeter. And here we have the sugar. I'm gonna whisk it together. It's well incorporated together. Kind of soft dough, like cookie dough. Now I made it with the only flour. There's some people who make it with semolina. The texture for the semolina, it's flour, but a little bit, the flour is a little bit coarse. In our tradition, we used to eat the cookies just a few days before the Eid. All the kids at the house helping moms doing the cookies. Like, it's so much fun, and the house will smell awesome.
So what did you turn your oven to? What temperature?
425. It should be really, really hot before you put the cookies in it. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes, and you really have to watch it. What I do here now is cutting this snake into small pieces first. Then we make it like circles. Open a small, hole here in the middle. Before we start, actually, but I did prepare all the stuffing. There's like dates. Dates, it's very common, and they use it every day in Ramadan. It's really yummy, and it's full of nutrition. Now, this is like a kind of dough from the same. I mashed it before I start. We can get it already like this
They're
way.
already mashed up?
Mashed already, yeah. I usually get it this way. And I make balls like this inside, and you can also stuff it with pistachio and just put some syrup and just incorporate it together. And walnuts, so many different kind of stuffing, but those are my favorite things. My favorite of all is dates. We made this bowl and we put this date in it, and then we close it, then circle it
So it's
This,
totally covered.
yeah, it's totally covered.
Oh,
Like a bowl, we do like this. It's kind of fun. It's really fun to play with.
and then you stick the little piece of date or
And then we put this small piece here inside. We close it completely. Just we roll it again. Make a hole here. We have to close it completely. This is another bowl, a different kind. We have also here the walnuts. We can add some syrup or powdered sugar. I added a teaspoon of butter just to make it softer and easier to work with. Close it completely. We used to do it like we go like this. We put it inside and we snap it like this.
So like a little mold.
So they invented this kind of mold easier. So we just put this inside here, this mold. And so we make just a design, whatever you like. So this is a design. This is another design. Just gonna put those here. Other way to make it, it's like you just roll this again, make it a small rectangle. We make also the date like small snake. Put it inside like this.
Oh yeah.
And then we roll it and make it like a circle like this. Will be so cute. Small donuts.
So kids can use their imagination to make it.
So we're just gonna put it in the oven in the middle rack for up to 10 minutes. We get this nice cookies.
So how do you know when they're done?
Usually I do put something, underneath and just shake it underneath should be like golden.
Looks like you sprinkled something on the top.
We sprinkle some powdered sugar. Doesn't this look pretty?
Oh, look at that. You have just about a week or so left of Ramadan.
Yeah, the Eid will be the 12th. And the last few days will be really exciting because people go buy new clothes, prepare, spring clean the house, make the cookies. The kids will get their presents at the Eid. The first day of the Eid. Some people just give their kids like money. It's different from a family to another family.
You shared your recipe with us. I want to go out and get everything and try it. We really appreciate you joining us.
You're welcome. I really loved sharing this recipe with you.
We hope you have a good Ramadan and Eid.
Thank you so much.